Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into the kitchen with a set that promises to make your cooking experience both functional and a little bit fabulous, the Rachael Ray Cook Plus Create 6-piece Nonstick Cookware set in gray. Now, let's talk about what's actually in the box. This set is designed for everyday cooking needs, giving you a 1.5-quart saucepan and a 3-quart saucepan, both of which share a clever universal lid. This is a smart touch, saving you space and hassle. You also get a generous 6-quart stockpot, perfect for soups, stews, or boiling pasta, and this also comes with its own lid. Rounding out the set is a 10-inch frying pan, a workhorse for everything from searing to sautéing. Rachael Ray has really amped up the quality with this Cook Plus Create line. You'll immediately notice the luxe, thicker gauge aluminum construction. This isn't some flimsy cookware. It feels substantial on the stovetop, which immediately tells you it's built to last and perform. And that thicker gauge aluminum translates directly into ridiculously fast and even heat distribution. No more hot spots or unevenly cooked food. The highlight for many will be the slide and glide performance, thanks to their new triple-layer nonstick. They claim this provides the ultimate in scratch resistance and durability. During testing, we found foods released effortlessly. Whether it was delicate fish or sticky scrambled eggs, everything just slid right out. And importantly, this nonstick surface stayed smoother and newer for longer, which is crucial for any nonstick cookware. A unique design feature here is the tulip profile. This means the pots and pans have a slightly wider, more generous cooking surface. This is fantastic for those times when you're making one-pot meals or trying to get a good sear on multiple items in the frying pan. It maximizes your cooking real estate, which is always a win in the kitchen. And now, for a feature that might seem small but makes a big difference, the non-stick rivets. Most cookware has metal rivets that can be a pain to clean, especially with sticky foods. Rachael Ray has coated these rivets with non-stick, making stirring much smoother and the cleanup process incredibly easy. This is a truly innovative touch. Expanding on the description, the lids are also thoughtfully designed. They're made from tempered glass with silicone rims, ensuring a good seal while protecting your pots. One of the lids has a stepped edge, designed to work with the universal lid concept, further optimizing space and heat retention. Speaking of heat, this cookware is oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, adding another layer of versatility for finishing dishes. The handles are also worth a mention. They feature a comfy silicone grip, which stays cool on the stovetop and provides a secure, comfortable hold. This is essential for safe and confident cooking. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: the thick gauge aluminum provides excellent heat conductivity and distribution, leading to even cooking. The triple-layer non-stick is genuinely impressive, offering superior food release and scratch resistance. The universal lid design is a great space saver and genuinely functional. Non-stick coated rivets are a brilliant innovation for easier cleaning and stirring. The tulip shape maximizes cooking surface area. Oven safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit adds versatility. Comfortable, cool touch silicone grip handles. Cons: while durable, like all non-stick cookware, it will eventually wear out with heavy use, especially if not cared for properly. The 6-piece set might not be enough for very large families or those who do extensive batch cooking, but it's a great starting point or for smaller households. The gray color, while elegant, might not appeal to everyone's aesthetic preferences. In conclusion, the Rachael Ray Cook Plus Create 6-piece non-stick cookware set is a well-designed and high-performing option for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen essentials. It balances functionality with thoughtful features like the universal lid and non-stick rivets, all wrapped up in a durable and attractive package. If you're seeking cookware that makes cooking and cleaning easier, and looks good doing it, this set is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.